Are you someone looking for a platform where you can write articles and get paid up to $100? If you are good at writing, this is going to be a good option for you. And if you are not good at writing, one thing I love about this platform is that you don't have to be a professional for you to work for them. So in this video, I'm going to share my honest review about this particular website so that you can decide whether or not this platform is for you. And I will also be showing you how to write your first article. So let's move ahead. So for us to work on this site, the first thing we are going to do is to check our IP address to know our location. So just come over here and click on what's my IP address. You can see what I typed to get that in case you are doing this for the first time. So just type what's my IP address in your browser, then go ahead, tap on it. When you get to this interface, go ahead and scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get information about your location. So if you look at mine, you see that this is where I am currently. So the essence of doing this is because at times while trying to browse some certain things, your location might change without you even knowing. And the reason why I want to also highlight my location is because this particular website I'm taking you to accept only certain countries like United Kingdom, United States, South Africa, Australia, and so many others. But if you are not within the locations, I don't think your work is going to be accepted on the platform. But let's just move into the platform so that you can give it a try. So right now, this is what we are going to do. Just go to a fresh page of your browser. Go to a fresh page. So just go to a fresh page of your browser and type listverse. So that's the name of the platform I want us to work on. Just type listverse and it's going to bring you to this interface. Go ahead and tap on it. That's listverse. Then once you get here, let me show you something. So this is where you are going to be tapping on. Can you see the small button over there where I circled? So that's exactly where you are going to be tapping. Just go ahead, tap on it. So before we go ahead to do that, let's just look at random list of orders. So basically what you do here is just to write top 10, just like this one, top 10 amazing space secrets from our own solar system. So just go ahead, look at the works of others and see if it's something you can do. Let's keep scrolling. Let's keep scrolling. So all these are listicles from other people just for you to write top 10 lists of whatever topic you want to write about. Then after you've written it, you submit it on this platform and this platform is going to pay you. So you can see there are so many other listicles from other authors. So let's just take a look at this particular one, 10 amazing space secrets from our own solar system. So just look at it. You first of all do a kind of intro. Then after that, all you need to do is just to write the top 10 lists, upload it here. Let's just look at how we are going to write our own. So just tap on the small button there. You are going to be saying write and get paid. You see submit a list, search listverse, our books, about listverse. But right now, let's just click on write and get paid and see what is in there. So over here, you can see it says write and get paid. Get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the effort of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here is the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. It works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, we reply and say great, we'll publish it and send you $100 by PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also get that. I have a video that covers how to get your PayPal account. And if you are interested in this platform, you can go ahead and read more about this platform, and as well see other listicles of others in the platform before writing yours. And if you need an idea of what to write, you can always consult ChatGPT and it's gonna guide you on what to write and post here. So right now, let's just submit a list. As for me, I've already made a list of what I wanted to upload here, so we'll do that together. Right now, this is where we are going to click write and get paid. So let's go ahead and tap on it. Oh, sorry, this is where we are going to click this submit a list. So let's go ahead, tap on it. So over here, you can see it says before submitting your list, make sure it is proofread and edited. Lists that lack novelty are less likely to be accepted, and all lists must conform to the highest standards of the English language. So just go ahead. Over here, this is where we are going to be adding our name or nickname. Then you input your email address, your PayPal address. If your email address that you are using here is not the same as your PayPal email address, over here you can write your email address separately and then input your PayPal email address. Make sure that when submitting your PayPal email address, that whatever you are imputing is very correct, because that is where they are going to be paying you. And after you have given them your PayPal email address, you might not be able to change it again on this particular work you are about to do. You might change it when doing another work on this platform, but for this particular one we want to do, make sure that the PayPal email address you are giving them is correct. Then this is where you are going to be writing about yourself. You can even attach your social media profile so that they can help you promote your page, but that is optional. Then after doing that, over here, this is where you are going to be dropping the title of your top 10 list. And over here too is a clear introduction. Let's just go ahead. Let me show you how I'm going to do mine. So first of all, let me go ahead and write my name. So I'm gonna input Emilia Davis. That's what I want to use here, and if I like, I can even change that. So I will pause the video now and input my email address and my PayPal email address. So having added my PayPal email address, it is time for me to add to tell them about myself. So I have already copied that, so I'll go ahead and paste it. So let's read it together. I said I am Coach Emilia Davis, a money-making coach who helps young adults break free from financial confusion and step confidently into wealth building. With a great background in personal finance and a passion for empowering the next generation, I teach practical money strategies that actually work in the real world. When I'm not coaching clients or creating no-flow financial content, I'm turning complex financial concepts into simple, actionable advice anyone can follow. So I'm writing this because of what I want to input in my top 10 list. So right now, let's go ahead and start with the top 10 list title. So here is the topic I want to write on: 10 financial mistakes youth make in their early 20s. So over here, the down part, it says a clear introduction to your list. So I've already copied that. And like I said, you can also consult ChatGPT to guide you on how to write this. It's very easy. So right now, I want to enter the full content of my listicle. So let me go ahead and copy that. So I'll paste it. I actually started from 10 to 1. So let me just show you a little of what I've written. So over here I said 10 living number 10, living paycheck to paycheck. So I went ahead to explain that. Then I wrote number 9, then number 8, and I continued that way till I got to number 1. And if you like, you can also start from number 1 to number 10. It doesn't there is no problem with you writing from 1 to 10, but I use from 10 to 1. So after that, I'm gonna come over here. You come over here and just tap on I agree to the terms and conditions. go ahead, tap on it, and then once you tap on submit, you have submitted this, and there's no way you are going to make further changes. And that's why you have to read it over and over again to make sure there is no mistake anywhere. And if you read down, you see where it says, please note, we are only considering submissions from United States, United Kingdom. This particular one, I don't know what's that. Then Ireland, Canada, Australia, South Africa. And again, he went further to say, unless you are an existing published listverse writer, we don't accept any list from outside of the countries named above. So if you, I don't know this country, I don't know what country is this. So if you know, please write it for me in the comments section. So that's it. Before I go ahead and tap on the submit list button, I'm going to go ahead right now to still edit my article before I send it to them for publishing, because they are the ones to publish it if they think that my listicle is worth it.